The Earth's rhythms shape every corner of life, but in the Himalayan foothills, a unique season arrives. The monsoon. In Dharamshala, the monsoon is more than rain. It's a magical transformation. The sky gathers heavy, gray clouds, messengers from the ocean, bringing the gift of water. The dry earth and waiting people sense what's coming. The monsoon brings both challenge and renewal, flooding rivers and washing dust from every leaf. The first raindrops mark the end of heat and the start of a lush, green chapter. Imagine witnessing this change from above. With a quiet drone, we rise over the town, floating among clouds and birds. From the air, the monsoon's scale is breathtaking. Rain sweeps across valleys, mist wraps mountain peaks. Nature paints a masterpiece in real time, brushstrokes of wind and water. This is Dharamshala's monsoon, seen from a dreamlike vantage. Our journey begins as the first heavy drops fall. The drone lifts off, leaving behind the narrow streets and colorful rooftops. The world expands. Hills, sky, and rain become one vast landscape. The sound of rain softens, the air cools, scented with wet earth. From above, the connection between mountains, forest, and rain is clear. The monsoon unites them in a spectacular display of beauty and power. We're ready to explore this world from above. The drone climbs, revealing the town nestled in green hills. Rivers and streams awaken, flowing with new life. The people below adapt, their routines shifting with the season. The monsoon is not just weather, it's a force that shapes everything. From this height, we see the harmony between nature and human life. The transformation is total, and we're here to witness it. The journey above Dharamshala's monsoon has begun. Let's discover the magic together. The clouds beckon us higher. Our adventure starts now. Our drone ascends, pushing through a blanket of mist. Suddenly, we're inside the monsoon itself. The world vanishes into soft gray silence, thick with life-giving moisture. Then, we break through the top of the clouds. Below, a sea of white stretches to the horizon, mountain peaks poking through like islands. Sunlight, hidden below, now bathes the clouds in gold. This is a view reserved for birds, a rare privilege for us. From above, the monsoon's scale is revealed. Vast cloud formations, dark rain, clouds drifting toward the mountains. The Dauladhar range stands as a wall, forcing moist air to rise, creating even more rain. This is why Dharamshala thrives in the monsoon. The drone dips back into the mist, shapes emerging, dark green, pine and deodar trees, rooftops of MacLeod Ganj. Rain falls steadily, water running in streams down streets and paths. Life below continues, sheltered under umbrellas and awnings. From above, the town is peaceful, embraced by the wet, green world. The monsoon is both gentle and powerful, transforming everything it touches. The drone's perspective reveals the interconnectedness of land, weather, and life. The clouds move, the rain nourishes, and the town adapts. This is the heart of the monsoon's magic. The drone hovers, capturing the beauty of a world reborn. The journey continues, deeper into the monsoon's embrace. Each moment reveals a new layer of wonder. The clouds part, inviting us onward. We follow, eager to see what lies ahead. Before the monsoon, Dharamshala's hills are dry, waiting for life. Then the rains arrive, and from above, the transformation is astonishing. Pale greens explode into deep emerald, forests thicken, fields glow. The drone glides over ancient deodar, pine and rhododendron forests. Their leaves washed clean and vibrant. Rain drips from every branch. The forest canopy a textured green carpet. Grasses, ferns, and mosses cover every surface. Walls, rocks, tree trunks. The landscape is wrapped in a living skin of green. Meadows once yellow now burst with wildflowers and lush grass. The ground softens, the air cools, and freshens. Every surface glistens with water, reflecting the monsoon's renewal. The overwhelming greenness calms the mind, a symbol of nature's power to restore. Flying above, we witness a world reborn by water. The monsoon's touch is total, its magic undeniable. The drone's camera captures this living transformation. The hills, forests, and fields pulse with new life. In this season, the world feels at peace. The Dhauladar Range, white-peaked and majestic, is the monsoon stage. Our drone ascends, revealing forests below and rocky cliffs above. Mist and clouds swirl around the peaks, flowing like rivers through mountain passes. Peaks appear and vanish in a constant dance with the clouds. From above, tendrils of mist rise, ghostly fingers reaching skyward. The drone hovers as a river of cloud connects valleys, a reminder of nature's power. We see layers of clouds, stratus bringing steady rain, cumulus drifting, and towering cumulonimbus storm clouds. The drone keeps its distance from storms, watching their energy from afar. Flying here feels dreamlike, patches of green valleys below, snow-dusted peaks above. The air is thin and cold. The drone is tiny in this vast world. The experience is humbling, a silent witness to the Himalayas' raw beauty. The monsoon's drama unfolds in every swirl of mist and flash of lightning. The mountains and clouds are locked in an endless, mesmerizing dance. From this vantage, we see the forces that shape the land. The drone glides between earth and sky, capturing the monsoon's grandeur. Awe fills the air. This is nature at its most powerful. Descending from the peaks, our drone turns to McLeod Ganj, a vibrant mosaic on the hillside. Monsoon rain brightens rooftops, colors popping against lush green. Golden monastery roofs shine, prayer flags hang heavy with rain. The Tsuglakong complex, home of the Dalai Lama, is a calm center amid the bustle. Monks in maroon robes walk under umbrellas, their presence serene. The Church of St. John in the wilderness emerges from the forest, its stone darkened by rain, spire reaching for the clouds. Streets below are rivers of umbrellas, markets alive despite the downpour. People adapt, tea in hand, goods protected, life undeterred. The drone captures resilience and harmony. Rain is not an obstacle, but a rhythm embraced. McLeod Ganj thrives, its spirit shining through the storm. From above, town and nature blend seamlessly. The drone's camera shows the sights, but imagine the sounds and scents of the monsoon. Rain drums on leaves, hisses on fields, and pounds tin roofs, a soothing symphony. Streams gurgle waterfalls, roar wind rustles wet deodar branches. The air is thick with petrichor, the earthy scent of rain on dry soil. Wet pine and moss add sharp, calming notes. In town, aromas of ginger tea and steaming momos mingle with the fresh air. The monsoon is a feast for every sense, a world alive with sound and fragrance. This is the true atmosphere of the season, nature's sensory embrace. With the monsoon, waterfalls burst from every mountain crevice. The drone explores these fleeting wonders, silver ribbons cascading down dark cliffs, streams swell, joining to become torrents that plunge into valleys. Bagsunag waterfall roars, transformed by the rains into a force of nature. The drone follows water's journey, gathering, plunging, spraying mist into the air. Hidden falls appear in remote valleys, tall and slender or wide and thunderous. Water shapes the land, carving gorges and valleys, carrying earth and stone. Each waterfall is a living artery, the monsoon's lifeblood. The drone hovers in the spray, lens dotted with droplets, a reminder of this wild world. These falls are more than beautiful, they are nature's sculptors. From above, we witness the earth at work, reshaping itself with every drop. The monsoon's waterfalls are fleeting, but unforgettable. Their power and beauty define the season. The monsoon sky is a stage for drama, gentle mists, violent storms, and breathtaking sunsets. As day ends, the drone captures a subtle, complex sunset, sunlight filtering through clouds, painting them in pinks and golds. Above the clouds, the last light glows brilliant and surreal. Twilight deepens, town lights twinkle below. Storms build, towering cumulonimbus clouds, flashes of lightning illuminating the sky. Thunder rumbles, rain falls in torrents, a wall sweeping across the land. The drone observes from a safe distance, capturing nature's raw power. The monsoon sky is ever-changing, peaceful one moment, electric the next. Each sunset and storm is a reminder of the season's magic. The drama above is unforgettable, a key part of the monsoon's allure. From the air, we witness the full spectacle, beauty, power, and wonder. The sky closes another day, promising more marvels tomorrow. As our drone descends, its memory is full of the monsoon's wonders. We've soared through mist, chased waterfalls, and watched the world turn green. The monsoon is more than rain, it's renewal, beauty, and power. From above, we see the interconnectedness of mountains, clouds, rain, and life. The drone's view reveals a harmonious system, every part playing its role. Flying here is freedom and awe, a reminder of the world's vastness and grace. The monsoon is felt with every sense, its memory lingering long after. It reveals the Himalayas' true soul-cleansing, rebirth, and vibrant life. Our aerial journey has shown us nature's ancient rhythms endure. To witness them, even briefly, is a privilege that fills the heart with wonder.